Google just flipped SEO on its head, and most people have no idea what's coming. This new update isn't like the old ones. It's powered by AI that answers questions without ever sending you traffic. I'm going to show you exactly what changed and how to win in 2026. Let me tell you something wild that just happened. Google is fundamentally changing how people find information online, and if you're still doing SEO the old way, you're about to get left behind. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. And Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below. Let me break down the 3 AI features that are destroying traditional SEO right now. First is AI mode. This completely replaces traditional search results with conversational responses powered by Gemini. Instead of seeing 10 blue links, users get summaries and answers, no organic link lists, no website clicks, just AI-generated responses. Think about what that means for your traffic. If someone searches for how to build an AI automation business, Google's AI mode might just tell them the answer without ever sending them to the AI Profit Boardroom or any other site. Second is AI overviews. These are AI-generated summaries that appear for a huge percentage of queries now. Google estimates this is showing up for tons of searches, and here's the killer part. Click-through rates are dropping because users get their answers without clicking through to any website. Your site could be ranking number 1 and still get 0 clicks because the AI overview already answered the question. Third is Google's Gemini AI models. The latest Gemini upgrades are powering all these next generation responses inside AI mode. These models are way bigger and more capable than before. They're doing better reasoning and creating multimodal output, which means the AI can pull from more sources and create better answers without sending people to your site. Now, here's where it gets insane. Unlike classic updates that targeted technical SEO signals, this new ecosystem is driven by completely different rules. Let me explain what's actually happening under the hood. Traditional SEO was about ranking number 1 for a keyword. You'd optimize your page, build backlinks, and climb the rankings. More rankings meant more clicks meant more customers, simple. But now Google is shifting focus from traditional ranking to answer integration. If Google's AI pulls your site's information into its overview, that's your new real estate. That's your new visibility. Ranking number 1 doesn't matter if the AI overview is sitting on top of your listing and answering the question already. This is called generative engine optimization, or GEO, and it's the future of search visibility. And here's the part that's going to hurt a lot of businesses. Clicks are not the goal anymore. More queries are never leaving Google. Users get their answer from the AI and they're done. They don't visit your site and they don't join your community. They don't buy your product. This is huge for click-through rates and traditional traffic metrics. Everything we've been tracking for the last 10 years is changing. And one more thing, if you're creating all this content but nobody is finding it online, you've got a traffic problem. That's where SEO comes in. If you want more leads, more traffic, and more visibility for your business, my team can help you rank higher on Google. Check the link in the comments and description to order AI SEO online, and let us handle your backlinks while you focus on growing your business. Now, let me show you the exact workflow to win in this new environment. I'm going to give you a step-by-step process using Google Gemini that you can start using today. This is the same workflow we're using to adapt our content for the AI Profit Boardroom. And the best part, it's completely free. You just need access to Google Gemini. This workflow has 4 connected steps that build on each other. By the end, you'll have content that Google's AI actually wants to cite. Step 1 is finding the right questions to target. You need to know what people are actually asking Google that triggers these AI overviews. So here's the first prompt you're going to use in Google Gemini. Copy this exactly. Generate 30 conversational questions people ask about AI automation for businesses. Format as natural questions like, how do I automate my business with AI? Group into beginner, implementation, and advanced categories. Identify which questions trigger Google AI overviews. Once you run that prompt, Gemini is going to give you a goldmine of questions. These are the exact queries you need to build content around. Pick the top 5 questions from the list that Gemini says are most likely to trigger AI overviews. Write them down. Those are your content targets. Now, here's the important part. Don't just pick random questions. Look for questions where you have real expertise and real results to share. If you're in the AI Profit Boardroom, you've got case studies, you've got workflows, you've got results. Those are your weapons. Pick questions where you can show that expertise. Step 2 is creating citation-friendly content. Now that you have your questions, you need to create content that Google's AI can actually use. Remember, the AI is looking for clear, structured, trustworthy information it can cite. So you're going to take one of those questions from step one and build content around it. Let's say you pick the question, how do I use AI to automate my business? Now you're going to use this prompt in Gemini, create a content outline for an article answering, how do I use AI to automate my business? Include 1. Expert intro with credentials. 2. 5 actionable steps with examples. 3. Real case studies for common mistakes. 5. A FAQ section with 5 questions. Optimize for Google AI citations with clear EEAT signals. This prompt is powerful because it's giving you a complete structure that hits all the ET signals Google cares about. When Gemini gives you that outline, you're going to use it to write your article. But here's the key. Don't just copy and paste what Gemini gives you. Use it as a framework, then fill it in with your real experience, your real case studies, your real results from the AI Profit Boardroom. The AI can give you structure, but you need to add the authenticity. That's what makes content citation worthy. Step 3 is optimizing for AI extraction. You've got your content written. Now you need to make sure Google's AI can easily pull information from it. So you're going to take your draft article and run it through this prompt. Analyze this article and make it citation friendly for Google AI overviews. Paste article. Tell me, 1. Which sections need breaking down? 2. Where to add subheadings? 3. Which points need reformatting as standalone statements? 4. Where to add FAQ schema? 5. How to restructure intro and conclusion. Give before and after examples. What this does is it turns Gemini into your AI optimization editor. It's going to look at your content through the lens of what Google's AI needs. And it's going to tell you exactly how to fix it. When you get those suggestions, implement them. Add the subheadings, break down the long paragraphs, restructure those key points. This step alone can be the difference between your content getting cited or getting ignored. Most people skip this. Don't skip this. Step 4 is creating the technical structure. Now your content is written and optimized. The last step is adding the technical elements that help Google's AI understand and use your content. This is the schema markup and structured data. It sounds complicated, but Gemini makes it easy. You're going to use this final prompt to tie everything together. Generate JSON LD schema markup for my article, including 1. Article schema with author details, 2. FAQ schema, 3. How to schema if needed, 4. Organization schema format as ready to use code for my website head section, explain where to place it, and how to test in Google Rich Results Test. This prompt gives you all the technical stuff you need without having to learn code. Gemini will generate the exact schema markup for your specific content. You just copy it and paste it into your site. And the best part is giving you the schema that matches your content perfectly. The FAQ schema will include your actual questions. The article schema will have your actual author info. Everything is customized. Once you implement this, Google's AI can read your content way more effectively. Let me show you why this workflow is so powerful. Each step builds on the last one. Step 1 gives you the right questions to target. Step 2 creates content that answers those questions with real expertise. Step 3 optimizes that content for AI extraction. And step 4 adds the technical structure that makes it all work together. This is exactly how you win in the new SEO environment. You're not just creating content, you're creating content that AI models want to cite. Here's what happens when you follow this workflow. Your content starts showing up in AI overviews. Google's AI starts citing your site as a trusted source. And even though fewer people are clicking through to websites, the people who do click are more qualified. They've already seen your expertise in the AI overview. They trust you. They're ready to join the AI Profit Boardroom or buy your product. That's the real opportunity here. Quality over quantity. And here's the thing most people don't realize. This workflow works for any niche. I use the AI Profit Boardroom as an example, but you can use this exact same process for whatever you're building. Just swap out AI Profit Boardroom and AI automation with your business and your topic. The structure stays the same. Find the right questions, create expert content, optimize for extraction, add technical structure. That's it. The businesses that win in 2026 are going to be the ones that understand this shift. Traditional SEO is dying. AI citations are the future. And most people are going to keep doing what they've always done. They're going to keep chasing rankings and backlinks. They're going to keep writing content for humans only, and they're going to wonder why their traffic keeps dropping. Don't be those people. Adapt now while you still have time. And one more thing, if you're creating all this content but nobody is finding it online, you've got a traffic problem. That's where SEO comes in. If you want more leads, more traffic, and more visibility for your business, my team can help you rank higher on Google. Check the link in the comments and description to order AI SEO online, and let us handle your backlinks while you focus on growing your business. That's it for today. Hit the like and subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.